Hi guys, welcome to TechTip channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can recover deleted emails on Gmail. So in this case, log into your Gmail first. Then just choose some emails like this and let's delete it. So the message has deleted. You cannot find it here. Where you can find it? Go more, scroll down, and you'll find here trash bin. Click on trash bin and you'll find all of your deleted mails here. Okay, your deleted mails will be permanently deleted within 30 days if you didn't restore it. Or if you want to delete these mails permanently, just click on delete it forever. Click on this and your mails will be deleted forever. Okay guys, so if you delete these mails forever like this, how you can find it now? You cannot find it. A Google tool has there, but let's try Gmail Google recovery tool, this one. Click on this, and if you click on continue, sometimes it may work, but maximum time it will not work. Let's try. Okay, you can see here, unfortunately your missing emails were permanently deleted and we can get them back. That means if you delete it permanently from your trash bin, you cannot get it back later. Okay, sometimes you may get these mails. That's totally luck. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.